In 1985, a Boeing 747 flew for 32 minutes with no tail fin, no hydraulics, and no way to land. August 12, 1985, Japan Airlines Flight 123 departs Osaka, bound for Tokyo. 524 people on board, a routine domestic flight. 12 minutes after takeoff, a loud explosion shakes the aircraft. The rear pressure bulkhead, improperly repaired by Boeing mechanics 7 years earlier, tears apart. The blast destroys the vertical stabilizer. All 4 hydraulic lines are severed. Captain Masami Takahama radios in, uncontrollable. The crew fights for 32 minutes using only engine thrust to steer, a technique almost never practiced. Passengers write farewell notes to their families. The plane hits Mount Takamagahara at 8:56 p.m. 520 people are killed, the deadliest single aircraft disaster in history. But 4 survivors are pulled from the wreckage the next morning, all seated near the tail. The Boeing repair that caused this crash, it had passed inspection. The engineer responsible took his own life out of guilt. Japan Airlines still holds a memorial every single year.